G'day traders, Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading, and today we're going to be talking about finishing your week on a positive. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. Hi traders, Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading, and again, just finished up a little short workout down at the park. Got a busy morning, kids sports, Saturday morning here in Perth. But today, just talking about finishing on a positive, finishing your week or your trading day on a positive. And the importance of that psychologically is manyfold. But number one, lots of trades this week in the market. On the intraday, London, Europe, lots of movement around the U.S. markets. Some simple trades and then a few messy days. End of day, there was a few good trades as well on the euro, the Aussie dollar. But just coming back, I've said this before. I like to try and trade the Asian session. I like to start my day off in that first couple hours of the day, looking just for a small range between where the market makers have set a high and a low for the day, and just looking for somewhere between 10 and 20 pips. I like to set the intention for the day. I think it's a great way to start your day off regardless of what's happened yesterday. If you've had a rough day or a losing day, it's critical to bounce back the next day, be up, review your trading strategy, reviewing your trades, your best trade setups, and looking for a couple of simple trade setups. There's plenty of trades in Asia. It's not for everybody, but there are lots of trades with New Zealand crosses, the yen crosses, and the Aussie dollar. So just a little reminder that it's a great way to set the intention for the day. Flawless execution, small trade, even if you take a small lot size, it could even be a micro lot. But it's just about setting the intention for the day, getting a win under your belt, but also just focusing on the flawless execution and getting risk management, all of that down, and setting the tone for the London session. If you're end of day, it's critical maybe to have a couple of small trades earlier in the week if your system generates a signal. And again, using micro lots is a great way just to focus on flawless execution. I had a loss on Thursday, and I had a trade in the Asian session, had a win there, had a loss in the afternoon session. Just poor execution on my part, poor setup, really poor preparation. But again, just a reminder, made some notes. I went over that trade. I missed a fantastic trade on the pound yen because I was locked into this other trade. But just a reminder, get back up right away. I had a small trade into the US session, very small scalp, but I like to end the day on a positive note. And if I'm losing money on a trade and it hasn't hit my stop and it's a Friday evening or Friday afternoon and I've had a good week, I may take the small loss and get out. Last night I had a small position in. I had a good trade earlier in the day on the New Zealand dollar off the announcement earlier in the session. Stayed in a little bit too long, but still came out with about the same amount of profit. Sort of got a little bit overconfident, took a trade later on with the Euro New Zealand, and it moved around, didn't stop me out, but it moved up and down in the range, didn't quite hit my target, didn't quite hit the stop. Going into the US session, I thought, I've had a good week, I've hit my targets for the week. No point in going to bed stressing out. And as luck would have it, the market had auctioned back to my fill. I got out, break even, and I thought to myself, again, just a reminder, when you're ahead of the game and the week's about to wrap out or your day's about to wrap out, end the day on a positive note. So really important, critically, the most important capital you can protect is your trading capital, but number two, your psychological capital. If you're not on track psychologically, if you've done damage to yourself, you're going to be trading on emotion, irrationally trading, impulsive trading. Stick to your game plan. Constantly review your game plan. Remember, superstars master the basics. Keep it simple, traders. End the week on a positive. Got up this morning, just reviewed the trades, made some notes in my journal, had a great workout, listened to a small snippet from a couple of traders. Just stay on track, guys. This is a long-term gain. It's not about knocking a home run out every time. Some people might do that, but at the end of the day, stay in the game, stay focused, stay disciplined, and enjoy the ride. Thanks, traders. Have a great day. Hi, traders. It's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog.
If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, The 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.